Hi, I'm Nayeem Ahmed. I'm a senior engineering manager for Tennant Company. It's a global manufacturing company and a leader of the cleaning industry. We are always looking at new technology, and web development is an area of expertise and need for us. Back in 2019, I started looking at skill sets, especially in those areas. Southeast Asia is known to have a lot of talent, but being from Bangladesh, I looked at what Bangladesh talent pool was, and that's when I came to know more about BrainStation 23. Now, that was back in 2019, and I kept my eyes on the growing talent then. At the first opportunity we got in 2023, we engaged BrainStation 23 to build an IoT platform for us. It was an end-to-end platform starting from the cloud all the way to the web platform that enabled our customers to look at proof of performance from our cleaning machines. Now, our cleaning machines, they span both the manual side as well as the autonomous ones. The last 3 years, we've built a lot of value for both Tennant and Tennant's customers. And as we continue to build more, not only for external and internal customers of Tennant, I would highly recommend anyone to engage with BrainStation 23 because they do have the skill set and also the mindset that you need to succeed. I would highly recommend that you engage them. Tennant has been successful, and I have no doubt that you will be as well.